Yes po, kuya.
Buong puso kang nagbahagi ng iyong sarili. And you formed lasting friendships inside my house. And for that, I am truly grateful. Pero sa puntong ito, nais kong ipaalam sa iyo that your time inside my house is not yet over. Tama ang iyong narinig. Hindi ka pa lalabas ng aking bahay. From this moment, you will become a house challenger. Bilang isang house